Set camera and action. Alright guys, we're entering Waterworld and I'm gonna try to record a little bit, but we can't record too much because we want to enjoy the experience. But check out this beautiful view. Look at the water. I feel like diving in. It is almost 100 degrees today. Let's go. Look at this. Awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get the ending part, which is the best part of the whole show. I can't guarantee I'll get it in slow motion, but I'm gonna try to get it in slow motion. Can't wait for you guys to see it. It's gonna be an amazing shot. Alright guys, check it out. We're here with Jaws. For reference, just check out the scale of this thing. Check this out. Comment down below. Next time I come to Universal Studios, should I get this poster? Looks pretty sick. I like it. Nice. Check it out. All the Transformers merch. They even got stuff for the kids.
For the kids.
These are sick. Guys, these are must-haves. I need to buy these. Hook me up, subscribe. Check out the Jurassic Park merch. Looks really cool. There's all kinds of shirts, toys, and goodies. Nice. Alright guys, so we just got these brand new cups. They're awesome. Look, I got green apple icy and you can't even tell because the cup's red. It's so cool. And check out the merch. Sarah's wearing the Universal hat, the fanny pack.
Okay guys, look, check this out. I ended up getting the fanny pack. I already added my wallet, my phone, this other little pocket, my hand sanitizer, and my lipstick.
Cool. Practical and functional. Nice. So we're getting our snacks. We already got some icy. We already filled that cup up. Now we're gonna get some popcorn. We're gonna load up because we're going on the tour. And we always load up before we go on the tour. It's a must. Don't you agree?
Yes.
Let's load up. Alright ladies and gentlemen, Universal Studios is always working on something. And the way they're able to achieve this is by having many sets and sound stages, which bring you your favorite TV shows and movies. For all you Back to the Future fans, this is the infamous Clock Tower. Up next, this is King Kong, the ride. It used to be 3D, but it's not 3D anymore. Now it's 2D. So sorry guys, no more 3D glasses. Check out this painting of Universal's coolest monsters. And up next, the infamous Jaws. Do you have what it takes to survive the big earthquake? Hang on tight and enjoy the ride. And finally, check out these amazing houses. All these are sets which are used in movies and in TV shows, here at Universal Studios. Alright guys, we're here in Simpsons Land. We're gonna get on the Simpsons ride. It's a really fun ride. We've been on it before. It's really fun and I'm just really excited. Now, comment down below, when do you guys think the Simpsons peaked? People say season 5, season 10. Some says I think around season 15. I don't know. But either way, it seems pretty fun, so let's go on it.
Actually, I think it peaked at 15.
15?
Yeah, or 16. Oh my god, Bart, let's go.
Alright, let's go on it and I'll see you on the other side. 1. So Elizabeth, what has been your favorite part of the tour?
I would definitely say King Kong. It's fun. It's honestly, it just gives you like a little bit of an experience of how rides and movies are made. It's a little scary. It's a little bit of everything, honestly. I think it's pretty cool. I like it.
Alright guys, how did you guys like the Simpsons ride?
Fun and exciting.
Again, do it again.
It was very fun and exciting. Definitely love going on it. It's a must every time we come. I can definitely say every time I come, I'm always like experiencing something new, whether it be like the feeling of throwing up or the feeling of not wanting to throw up. You get me?
Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the Quickie Mart and we're gonna go maybe buy something. Let's check it out. Oh look, they have a Simpsons shirt right here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Krusty Burger shirt. Kinda like it. Maybe we should get it. Alright, so we're not on vacation, but we should probably get one of these. Best vacation ever.
Thank you, come again.
Alright guys, now let's go to the lower lot because we got a lot of things to go on. Transformers, Jurassic World, and maybe even the Mummy. We'll check it out. Let's go. Check out the Fast and Furious ride. It's still not open, but when it opens, we will be here. First things first, let's get on Transformers. Wow, does this ride still hold up to this day? It's amazing and it has stunning 3D features. And up next, Jurassic World. This is exactly what we needed after a long hot day. And finally, the Mummy. We gotta do the cross every time we go on the Mummy. It's a little bit scary. Alright Sarah, so what was your favorite part of the studio tour?
My favorite part of the studio tour was the earthquake. The thrill, it was just very exciting and fun.
Welcome to Francia.
Departamento. Alright guys, check out the view from here. Nice. Alright, now we're on our way to Minions Land. It's called the Fun Land. Check it out. Oh look, they got a little kids area. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. A little orphanage from the movie. Just out of curiosity, who cried in the first movie? Because it was really depressing. It got me all emotional. And then there's some treats and the main house from the movie. Looks pretty cool. That's where the ride is at. Check it out. The Face of Nightmares. I'm scarred for life. It's so creepy. And there's the apartment from Secret Life of Pets. Check it out. Alright, so far we've had a pretty great day. It's been really extraordinary. Now, Elizabeth, what has been your favorite part of today?
I would definitely say the tour. I love sitting down and hearing more and more, learning a lot about movies, how they became, producers, and all that good stuff. I definitely like just sitting down and I don't know, it's like so relaxing. It's like sightseeing or something.
Right?
Yeah, it's satisfying. If you haven't tried that out, definitely check it out.
Yeah, I think the highlight is probably like King Kong in the tour, because like The movements is pretty cool. You can see King Kong, you know, you feel the movements. Probably the Simpsons ride was pretty fun.
It's iconic.
It's iconic.
You have to try the Simpsons ride.
Yeah.
If you haven't, you're crazy.
You need to get on the Simpsons ride. It's a must. Oh, say hi to Dad. All right, Elizabeth, do you like the Pets movie?
Of course, I love the Pets movie. Hello.
Which one's better, 1 or 2?
It's all about one, really.
It's all about 2. Now let's be serious here. Should they make the Captain Snowball movie?
They should. They definitely should.
Release the Captain Snowball movie.
As long as you're an American and you have a car, of course you've seen Fast and Furious. Obviously, we know it's coming out, I believe, this summer of 2026. I am so overly excited. I can say for all of us that we're all going to be excited to ride this new ride. Ooh, popcorn.
All right, guys. So I didn't know this, but Marty McFly's standing right next to me, and I'm about to go take a picture with him.
Hey, Scott!
All right, guys. So we didn't get enough time to do everything we wanted to do. It's pretty normal, especially since we only had like 6 hours in the park. But I mean, it's okay. We have the pass, so we're gonna come back on another day. The highlights were Jurassic World, The Mummy, and Transformers. Let's face it, the highlight was everything. If you feel like shopping or eating, you gotta go to City Walk. They got a variety of restaurants, including the most popular, such as Taco Bell, KFC, The Habit, the Johnny Rockets, and they also got some fine dining establishments. So go check it out. It's amazing. They even got a Ben & Jerry's. Guys, they got it all. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned till next time. We're going to be posting more. And thank you so much for watching, and God bless you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.